Beyond rustic wood lies a world of endless potential where forgotten furniture, tired surfaces, and overlooked wooden pieces are transformed into stylish, functional, and profitable treasures with nothing more than imagination, creativity, and a few simple tools. The beauty of effortless furniture revivals is that they do not require expert carpentry skills or expensive machinery. Instead, they demand a vision, a willingness to experiment, and the belief that what looks outdated or unremarkable can be reimagined into something stunning. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of effortless wood decor ideas for your home, from rustic wood to refined furniture revivals that inspire to craft. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In a time when sustainability and individuality are highly valued, this journey of reviving wood and crafting decor becomes more than a hobby. It becomes a lifestyle, a personal expression of creativity, and for many, a source of income that grows as beautifully as the projects themselves. Each piece of wood tells a story through its curves, textures, and grains, and when you take the time to notice its hidden charm, you realize that reviving furniture is not about masking imperfections, but about celebrating them, allowing every mark of age to become part of a new design that resonates with warmth and character. Imagine an old wooden chair that has lost its finish, but still holds sturdy bones. With a touch of sanding, a fresh stain, or a painted flourish, it evolves into a statement piece that adds both style and soul to a living room. The process itself feels like breathing life back into something that had been discarded, a way of extending the cycle of use while reducing waste, and in doing so, your creativity becomes part of a much larger sustainable movement. This transformative journey is empowering because it reminds you that beauty does not always need to come from something new. Instead, beauty often lies in the potential of what already exists. An outdated side table can become the centerpiece of a modern home with just a change in finish and detail, and a set of drawers with chipped edges can be reimagined into a chic storage unit that blends seamlessly into today's decor trends. What makes this approach so powerful is that it aligns with both emotional and practical needs. On one hand, homeowners want pieces that add warmth, style, and personality to their spaces. On the other hand, they are increasingly drawn to sustainable options that do not require contributing to mass production or waste. By reviving and repurposing rustic wood into contemporary designs, you offer solutions that satisfy both desires. And when these furniture revivals begin to attract attention, the process naturally evolves into more than personal projects. It becomes an opportunity to share your creations, to sell them, and to create a woodworking journey that is sustainable in both environmental and financial terms. The simplicity of this craft makes it accessible to anyone. With just basic tools, sandpaper, brushes, stains, paints, and perhaps a drill or sander, you hold the power to transform spaces through imagination alone. There is something liberating about not being restricted by rigid rules or measurements. Instead, you follow the shapes and lines of the furniture itself, allowing creativity to guide your hand. Each revival becomes a unique work of art that cannot be replicated by factory machines, and this authenticity is exactly what modern buyers are searching for. People no longer want cookie-cutter furniture that looks identical from one home to another. They want pieces that tell a story, that have personality, and that bring character to their spaces. That is why effortless furniture revivals are not only functional and stylish, but also profitable, because they appeal to buyers who value originality and meaning in their homes. The profitability of this journey also lies in the way it connects with current lifestyle trends. Minimalism, rustic modern fusion, eco-conscious living, and personalization are driving forces in home decor today, and revived wooden furniture fits seamlessly into all of them. A simple reimagined coffee table with a natural wood finish can complement a minimalist interior, while a vibrantly painted cabinet can become a centerpiece in eclectic spaces. Each revival carries with it the chance to meet different markets and preferences, allowing your creativity to adapt and your business opportunities to expand. Even more powerful is the emotional connection that buyers form with revived wood pieces. They see more than furniture. They see sustainability in action, individuality expressed through craft, and a chance to bring a story-filled object into their home. This emotional resonance adds value far beyond the cost of materials and labor, which is why woodworking entrepreneurs can turn modest projects into significant profit streams. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. For the individual embarking on this path, each project becomes a reflection of their journey and growth. The first time you transform a rustic or worn-out item into something polished and modern, you feel a sense of accomplishment that goes far beyond the physical result. It is the realization that your imagination has tangible power, that your creativity can shape spaces, create beauty, and open doors to new opportunities. With each revival, you refine not only your technical skills, but also your artistic vision, learning how different woods respond to finishes, how colors and textures interact, and how design can influence the atmosphere of a home. Over time, your revived pieces become more sophisticated, and your woodworking journey begins to feel like an evolution of both craft and identity. At its core, Effortless Furniture Revival is about sustainability, but it is also about storytelling. Every time you rescue a piece of rustic wood from being discarded, you give it a second life, and that second life becomes a story shared with whoever uses it. A revived log bench in a garden becomes a place for family conversations. A refurbished wooden lamp adds atmosphere to evenings. A reinvented table becomes the surface where memories are made over meals. These connections elevate your craft from simple woodworking to meaningful creation, and when buyers recognize that story in your work, they are not just purchasing furniture, they are investing in emotion, experience, and purpose. That is why this path is not only creative and sustainable, but also profoundly profitable, because it taps into the timeless human need to live surrounded by things that matter. What makes this journey even more inspiring is its inclusivity. You don't need to be a master woodworker to begin, nor do you need vast resources. The tools are simple, the process is forgiving, and the results can be extraordinary. With each revival, you gain more confidence, and with confidence comes experimentation. Perhaps you start incorporating patterns, blending colors, or carving subtle details. Perhaps you experiment with finishes that highlight the natural grains of the wood, or you add modern hardware to rustic designs for a striking contrast. The possibilities are endless, and they expand as your creativity deepens. Before long, what started as a hobby can grow into a thriving business, where customers seek your work not only for its aesthetic appeal, but also for the authenticity it embodies. Effortless Furniture Revivals remind us that woodworking is not about perfection, it is about vision, care, and connection. By looking beyond rustic wood and seeing instead a world of opportunities waiting to be crafted, you embrace a mindset that celebrates creativity, sustainability, and entrepreneurship all at once. Each revived piece becomes a bridge between the past and the future, carrying the soul of its original form while embodying the fresh touch of your imagination. And as you continue down this path, you realize that you are not just crafting decor, you are crafting a way of life, one that values beauty, function, and purpose in every detail. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked Effortless wood decor ideas for your home, from rustic wood to refined furniture revivals that inspire to craft. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.